So we're going to compare if you are a shorter person or just a person with shorter legs, or you just prefer to have your feet flat foot when you're looking at an electric motorcycle, then these are the two models you want to look at. In the Emmo lineup, this is the Kamen, and this is the shortest seat height. I think it's on there, it's 28 or 29. I'm 5'3", I'm touching the ground. This is your lowest seat height. The Emmo Knight has a much higher seat. The Gandan has an even higher seat than that. This is the one model we'll be carrying from now on from Tao. And this is a Gemini. This has been my favorite bike for a long time because it's very zippy. And this is like the Emmo Proton. So its seat is just like that ½ inch lower. As you can see, my feet are even flatter to the ground. Batteries and whatnot. But what I wanted to demonstrate is just the size difference between these two bikes. And you know what I'll do? I've got a Gandan here. Oh, how convenient. It's right behind me. So here's your Gandan. This, so Knight is next, and then higher than that is the Gandan. So look at that. I'm only tiptoed, and this is higher than the Zone, just so you know. This is higher. This is I love this bike. I love them all. We all know that. But it's about finding a bike that fits you the best, right? So the all popular Zone or Zone Max, they are the same size. Get on this one. So you can see big difference between the Gandan and this one. The seat height is not it's not the biggest on this one, but we do recommend this one for bigger people, like anyone 6 foot plus, because you're more proportioned to the size of the bike. Obviously, it's longer and girthier, and you know, so this would, but again, here's what you look like. You find the bike that fits the nicest, but yeah, for bigger guys or gals, it just, and obviously you just like the look. So let's do this again, because I'm going to pull here's the Zone, and move the Gandan beside it. Now, these are on their kickstands, so it's not really a fair comparison because kickstands have different angles to them, right? But this also gives you like a size difference, length, height. As you can see, the seats, probably get a tape measure out, eh? But if anyone's like me, I've learned better seeing stuff than reading. They're just about the same. I'd say that's even the slightest bit higher. But the weight is a little bit lower in these. These come with a 45 amp hour battery. So this makes this a very heavy bike. So even though that might not work as well. Anyways, we're just north of Toronto. We pride ourselves in having a large, beautiful showroom that you can come and sit on bikes and have the space to just look and feel, because you'll know when you sit on a bike, the takeoff is about the same on all of them. So it's not about the performance-wise, it's really about getting something that fits you the best. Like, you can't adjust the handlebars on this one, but all of these, you can adjust the handles forwards or backwards, and that's really nice too. So yeah, just a nice comparison video to the different sizes of electric motorcycles.